Blessed the man who follows not the counsel of the wicked, nor walks in the way of sinners, nor sits in the company of the insolent, but delights in the law of the Lord, and meditates on his law day and night. Those who follow you, Lord, will have the lights of life. He is like a tree planted near running water, that yields its fruit in due season, and whose leaves never fade. Whatever he does prospers. Those who follow you, Lord, will have the lights of life. Not so the wicked, not so. They are like chaff which the wind drives away. For the Lord watches over the way of the just, but the will of the wicked punishes. Lord,